Welcome to English in Easy Way. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.
Hello friends, good morning. I hope you are well, and yeah, I'm also well. So today I'm gonna talk about a very interesting topic, and I think it's new to many of you, and that is, you can see on my whiteboard, fricative consonants. And yeah, it's a new idea to many of the students or teachers, and as you know, I am talking about the sounds. So let me clear the ideas for you. Okay guys, you stay tuned. So fricative consonants is a sound that is made, that is using squeezing air through our small mouth or hole, uh, and there are 9 fricative consonants, and 5 of them are unvoiced and 4 of them are voiced. So let me help you what is unvoiced and voiced. So unvoiced sound is when there is no vibration in our vocal cord. You can think when we make this sound, so you can't feel any vibration in your vocal cord, okay? Fish, no vibration. But when we say this sound, you can follow, you can create the sound putting your hand over your vocal cord like me. So there is a vibration in our cord. So this is why it's called voice sound. So let me tell you the sound of these symbols. This one is t, 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 d, d, d. For 6, z. You can feel the vibration. Z for z or zebra. And this one, you know, sh, 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 sh for she, sh for shoe, and this one is